Then let us talk about another organ in our body, that is kidney. If I talk about kidney, kidney purifies the blood, makes our urine. Actually purifies the blood, that's why our urine is made. Now in kidney also you will see there are various types of tissue, but all is doing the function of respiration. Respiration is a broader function in which many sub-functions are there, which will be done by same types of cells, which are called tissue, which stay together in an organ. Or maybe there are tissues which will not only stay in a particular organ but will flow around in the body, that is blood. Not always the tissue means it will be situated inside an organ and it will be a part of organ. I have given two such examples, lungs and the kidney, but also there are tissues which is spread throughout your body, like your bones are tissues, they are not organs. Your blood is tissue. Now this is the concept of tissue. Our body is made up of cells. Many cells together made up tissue. Many tissue together make organ, and many organ together make the organism. But actually the truth is of the flow chart is that it is true that cell forms the tissue. Same type of cell doing the similar type of function as you have seen in plants forms the tissue. Tissue together forms the organ, that is true. But there can be also tissues which is spread throughout the organism. This thing you should not forget, like blood. And also the organs together form the organ system. That is also true. Organ system is there, like a kidney and the the penis or the vagina, okay, which throws the urine out. It does the total process of urinating, involves a lot of organs. Set of organs can do work. Like for example in digestion, mouth is required, esophagus is required, stomach is required, then intestine is required. These are all organs. Organs make the organ system. Organ systems are there in our body, but in separate organs, they do a similar, together to make the function, a broader function occurs. Like digestion करने के लिए मेरे को पहले माउथ का फंक्शनिंग, फिर esophagus ऐसे पेरिस्टाल्टिस मूवमेंट बहुत कुछ है बॉडी में. ओके, स्टमक में जाएगा, फिर इंटेस्टाइन में जाएगा, इधर उधर जाएगा, सब ऑर्गन मिलके एक फंक्शन कर रहा है तुम्हारा डाइजेशन. वैसे यूरिनेटिंग भी वही हुआ. किडनी में आता है, ब्लड प्यूरिफाई होता है, सारे जो डर्टी चीज़ें वो मतलब फिल्टर आउट कर देता है पानी के साथ डिजोल्व करके, फिर तुम्हारे ब्लडर, यूरिनरी ब्लडर में जाके वो जो वेस्ट प्रोडक्ट है वो जमता है. फिर वहाँ से ब्रेन में सिग्नल जाता है कि सर मैं गो टू टॉयलेट, वहाँ से सिग्नल आता है, तब जाके यूरिनेशन होता है. तो कितना सारा ऑर्गन का काम हो रहा है. इनसाइड इच ऑर्गन, ये ऑर्गन सिस्टम हुआ. इनसाइड इच ऑर्गन देयर आर वेरियस टिश्यूज. But if you confuse the tissues are present only inside the organ, that will be wrong. Tissues are also present, may be present depending on the type, on whole part of the body too. Neurons are there, like nerve tissue, blood is there, bone is there, lots of tissues are there. So they can be. So when dividing tissues in various types, we'll divide them in such a type that these are the basic types of cells or basic type of tissues which are present all over our body. How many different types are present? In that way we will understand. Okay, there are, if we classify broadly, there can be 4 types. The epithelial tissue, the connective tissue, the muscular tissue and the nervous tissue. Epithelial, which forms the covering, skin, covering of the organs, internal covering of the organs. Internal covering means अगर सोचो एक ऑर्गन के भीतर में हाथ ढुका दिया, डॉक्टर हो, ऑर्गन के भीतर में हाथ ढुका दिया, তাহলে অর্গানটা যদি লিভার হয় বা লিভারও বলতে পারিস, বা কিডনি হয় বা লাংস হয়, ভিতরে হাত ঢুকা দিলাম, তাহলে অর্গানের ভিতরের ওয়ালগুলো ধরে ওখানেও তো লেয়ার থাকবে. যেমন এই ঘরটাকে যদি অর্গান ভাবিস, আমরা সব মলিকিউলস অর্গানের মধ্যে ঘুরতেছি, আমরা টিস্যুর সেলসরা, কিন্তু কেউ ধর একটা রাক্ষস দৈত্য এই ঘরটার মধ্যে এভাবে হাত ঢোকাবে, ঠিক আছে, তো ও তো ভিতরের দেওয়ালগুলো এরকম টাচ করবে, রাইট? তো যখন টাচ করবে তো তখন ওখানে যে ইন্টারনাল লেয়ারটা, তো ইন্টারনাল লাইনিং, দ্যাট ইজ নোন অ্যাজ ইন্টারনাল লাইনিং অফ দ্য স্টমাক or the liver or the kidney. Internal lining, there is also epithelial. Epithelial is there in lot of places. So there are various types of epithelial. এই যে ফুড পাইপ দিয়ে ফুড নামে, তার ভিতরেও there is epithelial. Okay, so all these things happens. ঠিক আছে, তো then there is muscle. There is muscle. Muscle tissue is which will help you to move. Muscles helps to move. This is a special type of tissue. Heart থাকে muscle tissue. লাংসের ওই যে আমি লাংসের যে এক্সাম্পলটা বোঝাচ্ছিলাম, রিপ কেজের মধ্যে মাসেল টিস্যু থাকে, ঠিক আছে, এক্সটেনশন আর কন্ট্রাকশনে হেল্প করে। দেন there are connective tissues, bones, which connect from one part to other part. Blood connects all part. Neurons are not connected, they are separate type of only. Sorry, neurons are not connected, but there are lots of connective tissues which connect. Okay, connective tissue is the biggest. So epithelial, muscle, connective, and then there is neuron or nerve, which is actually the tissue which carries signals in your body. You can see, you can understand, you can feel, you can remember, you can talk. These all things যেগুলো ম্যানেজ করে brain and other parts. Brain and the spinal cord forms the nervous system, organ system. In that there are also many type of tissues, and the main primary type of tissue which carry the signals. I feel like to slap her, I feel like to take her glasses, break it and throw away. So these feelings I'm controlling. All my brain can do. My brain is giving you examples, right? So all these things, this which we think, control, do or do not do, all these things are controlled by our brain. These signals are taken to our body through nerves or neurons. So these are the basic types of mental tissue we'll learn.